Mushamanio wa bunge atumia rungu rwa kiama giake wopa uria urathie na mbere mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni uraheire uritu munene ndereti ya watho wa maiganania muthenya wa mbere wa mushamanio uyu. Spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula na murunawe wa Seneta Amason Kingi aria nio marahingurire mushamanio uyu maugite ona gutuika Kenya nitacukitie makinya hari kuhe atumia mweke utongoria-ini ni kurabatarania watho wa maiganania uhangirwo na ihenya uria kwahotekeka.
On the onset, anything that brings women to parity with men, I will support, regardless of who brings it or how it is brought, because like Obama said, you cannot win a game if you are playing with half of your team outside the field.
Spika aya maugite makuhuthira uge wao mbunge-ini kuiguithia mbunge arume kunyita mbaru watho uyu wa maiganania na niguo kuhetukia ta uria gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010 irabatarania.
My office, and I have no doubt my brother's office, will give you everything you require to support you, research, financial services, everything for you to meet what you want. In fact, some of you have already brought some bills which I have readily approved and forwarded to committees to look at.
Women legislators play key roles and exercise their leadership potential to the fullest. This we shall continue to do as and when occasion demands. Inevitably, we must come to the consensus that unless women achieve equal status within governance and political structures, our efforts to strengthen the democratic base and expedite crucial social and political reforms will be hamstrung.
Ihinda-ini riri kuri na bunge atumia igana rimwe ria eri na MCAs aguthurwo na guthukio ni 727 na Kingi yaugite ati moimirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka muthiru ni kionereria ati iturwa cia guthurwo ti cia rume atheri.
This feat continues to be celebrated across our political landscape, having been realized against numerous intimidating odds arrayed against the women candidates. The message that should ring loud and clear across our land presently and going forward is that political leadership in this country is no longer preserved of men.
Minister wa Agenda Aisha Jumuri onake orari mushamanio-ini uyu augite ati thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza iri na mubango wa gutigirira kuri na uigananu wa kiutongoria na ati President William Ruto eranire gukinyaniria watho uyu ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe kuma riria oire matamu ma wathani.
The President is committed to the implementation of the two-third gender in appointive and elective positions in the public sector within his first year of administration.
Maundu mangi maria mareyumiririe megemainie na atumia na ihiko cia kiahinya kugimarithia airetu na haro cia kimuciria kaingi cigumagira atumia. Jumwa akiuga ati kuri na mibango na mitaratara igitwo ya kung'ethanira na maundu maya.
Honorable members, you would lend the ministry invaluable support by making sure that the anti-FGM board program are allocated enough funds to facilitate implementation.
Hadu ni Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Gutigirira.